Looking for a great drone without breaking the bank? In this video, we'll cover the top 5 drones under $300 in 2025 with 4K cameras, GPS, and real customer-tested performance. First up, the Potensic Atom SE. With up to 62 minutes of flight time on 2 batteries, this lightweight foldable drone is built for long sessions. Pros: 4K EIS stabilized camera, precise GPS, and compact design. Cons: some customers mention the mobile app could be smoother. Reviewers love how stable it flies even in light wind, making it a strong budget pick. Next, the Holy Stone HS720E, a longtime Amazon favorite. It comes with a 4K EIS camera and delivers around 46 minutes of total flight time. Pros: reliable GPS, solid build quality, easy controls. Cons: slightly heavier than other options, and the battery takes longer to recharge. Users say it's one of the best beginner-friendly drones thanks to its stability and simple learning curve. At number 3, the Ruko F11 Gim 2, a powerhouse under $300. You get a 4K UHD camera with a 2-axis gimbal, brushless motors, and up to 60 minutes of flight time. Pros: long battery life, intelligent GPS modes like Follow Me, and strong motors for stable footage. Cons: a bit bulkier and less portable than smaller drones. Customers highlight the professional look of the videos, saying it feels like a more expensive drone. Number 2, the HoverAir X1. This pocket-sized drone is all about simplicity and portability. Pros: hands-free flight modes, ultra-lightweight, 2.7K stabilized camera. Cons: shorter flight time, around 15 minutes per battery. But reviewers rave about how easy it is to use. You literally toss it into the air and it flies itself. And finally, our top pick, the DJI Mini 4K. Weighing under 249 grams, it delivers 4K video with a 3-axis gimbal and about 31 minutes of flight time per charge. Pros: professional-grade video quality, super stable footage, beginner-friendly GPS modes. Cons: battery life could be longer, but still solid for most creators. Customers love that it feels like a true DJI experience at an affordable price. So there you have it, the top 5 drones under $300 in 2025. Check out the best deals in the description below. And don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite drone, and subscribe with the bell icon so you never miss our next budget tech reviews.